All right, so you end up finishing with 17, but 15 of those came in the second half. When things aren't clicking for you or maybe the rest of the team, what's it like to see someone like Kaylee Miller, who's just starting to get, just starting her first time I think as a varsity player, and she steps up, scores 10 in the first half.
Kaylee stepped up, and she had a great game. I mean, her shot has come so far in the off season, and it's just unbelievable. And when she's on, she's on.
Yeah, and then talk about things started clicking, kind of for the entire team, I think, especially in the third quarter. But obviously you picked up things too and went on to score 15 points second half. But talk about second half as a whole for your team.
Yeah, we talked in the locker room. We knew it was going to be a physical game, and I think one thing that shouldn't go unnoticed is Katie and Meeker's defense on Madison, number 32.
Yeah.
She's just a great player, and we worked all week on defending her, and I don't think they could have done a better job.
Yeah, that's great. And then talk about, without Shay tonight, but Erin gets out there, and he found her a few times, and she was getting to the line and knocking down some free throws. So talk about how it's nice to have someone with some height out there and how she did all right out there.
It's nice, especially since she's a freshman. I mean, her career is probably going to be unbelievable. She just keeps getting better, and she knows how to step to the ball, and she knocks down her free throws, and that's going to help us a lot and give Shay breaks when she needs them.
Great. And then finally, just what did the coach say in there after the game? What do you guys need to work on, and what's the focus now?
Just slowing the tempo a little bit. We tend to get a little crazy and excited, and she always says, "Where's the fire?" Just kind of slow down a little bit, and we just need to keep working hard in practice and pushing each other.